First Lamon. Ngayon ko lang naging clear yung aking pinanggalingan. After 34 years, naging klaro kung saan ay paalis na ako, naging klaro yung aking pinanggalingan. No? Because I am a product of the Officer Candidate School in Tanay, Rizal. I am a member of the Class 10, kapatiran class of 1993. So, nagsimula itong plano na ito when I visited the OCS last week, no? Or 2 weeks ago. No? And we were able to talk with the commandant. Sabi niya, sir, anong ba na diyan isa sa mga origin ng OCS is from Camp Kitli, diyan sa Marawi City. And sabi ko, naging pinindig sa akin, ang alam ko, bangad lang yung nanggaling yung OCS from the former defunct SRC, School for Reserve Commission in Bangad. Yan ang pagkaalam ko. No? Until kung saan ako palis, naging klaro na isa sa mga kampo ko pala naging tahanan ng aking pinanggalingan, yung SRC. No? Mamaya, lalong malalaman, lalong mainit yung ating kaalaman. Mamaya pag magsalita yung ating guest speaker. No? Alam niyo naman siguro, gaano siya sikat in terms of sa lahat, no? Alam ko sikat na ito ang ating guest speaker. So, of course, I would like to express my gratitude to the Commandant of OCS for his effort in gathering all this historical data. No? And I think he's the only person na nakagawa nito. No? Looking back yung history ng mga kung saan siya ngayon. And of course, my gratitude to Colonel Cabunog for this his effort, no, on providing in the giving us knowledge of the history. Personally, naniniwala po ako na yung sa kasabihan na ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paruroonan. At ako ay naniniwala, until now ay naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan niya. And maybe this is the reason why we are here today, to celebrate the unveiling of the marker, the historical marker here in former Camp Kitli, now Camp Puranao. And this activity today is attributed, no? I-attribute po natin sa ating snappy na commandant ng OCS ngayon, Colonel Cabunog. Palapakan ulit natin. Napaka-importante yung history, because naniniwala po tayo na yung history will guide us, mayroong impact doon sa present and future activities or endeavor ng bawat individual. Napaka-importante po na malaman natin saan tayo nagsimula. And dito ko nalaman na with this, na yung army, yung officer ng army ay nagsimula dito pala dito sa Camp Kitli, sa two other sites na kung saan doon nagsimula yung officer corps ng Philippine Army. Yung ating ngayon ko rin nalaman na yung unang pinroduce ng PMA is yung ating Philippine Constabulary, no? Na doon nagsimula in that year. Then later in 1940 doon nagsimula na nagkaroon na ng Army Officer Corps na membro ng ating Philippine Military Academy. So, on that note, I am personally congratulating the Commandant of OCS, Colonel Cabonok, for this very inspiring effort that he initiated as Commandant of the Officer Candidate School. At sabi ko nga, napaka-importante yung history, because from that history we draw some lessons. We draw some lessons from that history, and sabi ko, there'll be an impact in our present and future endeavor as an organization. So I hope this activity today will be guided accordingly, and somehow this will serve as a reminder for us, to all of us, the present and future of our organization. So sa ngayon, we have this marker that will serve as a reminder, and I hope this will also serve as inspirations to the member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, of our sacrifices, our courage and sacrifices. The message of course, the message of unity that we need to pursue as an organization, So with that, I think sabi ko nga, if I could emphasize, we need to, napaka-importante itong unveiling, because from this will later have an impact in our daily activities, especially as an organization. With that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for attending this very important and historical activities in the life of 103rd Brigade as Camp Kitli, formerly Camp Kitli, now Camp Coronel, our home of the 103rd Haribon Brigade. Sa ating lahat, magandang umaga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.